All right, question 5. We're finding exact values of these dudes, so we're going to pull down our triangles again. So if we're doing, and we're doing ACE. So we're doing arcsine of sine 4/3. 4 pi on 3, sorry. Now, sine 4 pi on 3 4 pi on 3 is pi on 3 more than pi, yeah? So this is pi, and we're going an extra pi on 3, which is 60. So if we're doing sine pi on 3, that is root 3 over 2, but it's going to be negative because we're down in tan. Now, arcsine of negative root 3 on 2, we're still wanting 60, but if we're doing arcsine, we don't want this half. We want between 0 minus pi on 2 and pi on 2. So negative root 3 on 2 is going to be going down this way, pi on 3, which is 60. So it's negative pi on 3. Question C. Arctan of tan 5 pi on 6. Now 5 pi on 6 is pi on 6 back from just pi, isn't it? Because it's pi on 6 less than just, because pi is 6 pi on 6. So we're going back pi on 6, so which is 30. I mostly did that to show you that it's going to be negative. So tan pi on 6 is 1 on root 3, and we're going to be negative because we're in the second quadrant. Sorry, 1 on root 3. Why did I go pi? Now, if we're trying to do arctan of negative 1 on root 3, don't forget for tan, same deal with sine, we now want to be, for arctan, same deal with arcsine, between pi on 2 and negative pi on 2. So now if I'm getting negative 1 on root 3, it means I must be down here, and it must have been 60, so pi on 3, and it's going to be negative pi on 3. Of course, you could just chuck all these in your calculator. I'm going to need more space, so I'm going to come down here. So we've got arcsine of 2 sine negative pi on 6. So sine negative pi on 6 down here and down here. Sine negative pi on 6. So negative pi on 6 is down here, yeah? Because we've started off at 0 and we've gone down pi on 6. Pi on 6, that'll make the sine of it negative. Pi on 6, that's 30 degrees, so sine of that is a half. But we're going to be negative. So we're doing, negative 1. Now sine is negative 1 at this point, 3 pi on 2. But we don't want 3 pi on 2, we want it to be between 0 and, negative pi on 2 and pi on 2. That's the same as negative pi on 2.